So I found this game on TikTok. I saw a bunch of people playing it, so I'm gonna play it now. So let's gamble with our fucking life. Alright, let's see. I'm actually excited for this shit. Hey. Yo, why is this rave music? Not gonna lie. This is like high key rave music. Yo, I need the soundtrack, not gonna lie. I'm gonna need the soundtrack. Hey, I can't hear fucking shit. I cannot hear shit. Oh, please, son. Wait, who are you? Enter name. What the fuck? Guys, we're gambling with our life. You wanna come see me gamble with a shotgun? Look me up on Twitch. Guys, let's fucking do this. Let's do this, honestly. Alright, no more chit chat. Shoot yourself with a blank. Shooting yourself with a blank skips the dealer's turn. Me or the dealer? Me or the dealer? Me or the dealer? Shooting myself. I know fat key pussy. Yeah! Okay. Oh, so it's turn based. Alright. 2 in a row. I ain't gonna die. Holy shit! Alright. Now we shooting him this time. Let's go, bitch. Oh! I fucking called it. Oh, is it me or is his face different? Is it me or is his face different? Enter the chamber. Hey, bro. Hey. Chill out, man. You gotta chill out. Alright. 100%. First one's not on me. Oh. Oh, okay. I guess the first one's me. Hold. Hey, bro, you good? Hey, bro, you good? Oh. Yeah, fuck you, I win, bitch. Oh. Oh, we're in the second round? Let's make this a little bit more interesting. What you want to do, freaky fuck? 2 items each. More items before every load. So what you mean? So I just grab a random thing. Magnifying glass. Handcuffs. Shit. I mean, I've never used handcuffs before, but I mean, I'm up for trying. 1 life round, 1 blank. Check the current round in the chamber. Oh! Yeah! I know it's a blank. Yee! Yo, Darwin, fuck off. Okay. Dealer skips next turn. Shoot yourself. I'm gonna shoot him. It's over. It's clips. Yeah, fuck you. Alright, bro. Handcuffs. Okay. Huh? What was that? Did I just read a liability? Magnifying glass. Yes. Two live rounds, 2 blanks. Alright, hold up. What should I do? Should I waste the glass, or should I shoot him? Or should I shoot myself? Because I could waste the glass and see if it's a... Fuck it, I'm gonna waste the glass. I'm shooting the fuck out of him. You're fucking dead. You're fucking dead. Open your mouth and say ah. That's insane. That's actually insane. Wait, huh? Hey, that placement of your hand was kind of gay. Not gonna lie. He smoked a cigar and now he. Wait. Oh wait, what's going on? Alright, let me see. Another one. Alright. Swipe. Allow. What's that? Coke. What does the Coke do? Gay Cheeto Puff. I love your username, by the way. Not gonna lie, that's what I'm saying, man. Alright. You rack the shotgun. You rack the shotgun ends round on the last shell. What does that mean? You rack the shotgun. What do you mean you rack the shotgun? Ends the round. Alright, first. Okay. Am I feeling lucky? Think about it. Have you seen the? Nah, you're right. I've never seen a straight Cheeto Puff. What should I do? Did I break the glass, waste it, and then see if I could shoot him, or should I drink the beer and see what happens? Or fuck it. Alright, let's play safe. I fucking knew it. Alright, bro. Open your mouth, pause, and say ah. This is the fucking easiest game ever. Jeez. Alright, bro. It's getting freaky. What was the point? Shoot yourself. Okay. Wait. Alright, so we got regenerative fucking shotguns. We got regeneration on shotguns. Wait. Yo, chill. Fuck me, I guess. Fuck me, I guess. Alright, let me... Oh, so I was locked down, so that's why I couldn't... Okay. Alright, well, guess what? I'm locking your ass down. Yeah, you're tied up, freaky. Shit. Alright, let me drink the beer. Let's see what happens. Oh, it was a blank round! Oh, that's what that does. Alright, bro. I gotta shoot him. I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna shoot him. It's over. Yes! Aren't you supposed to be dead? I'm so confused. He's supposed to be dead right now, right? Because it took 2 lives out of my thing. I got another soda. Okay. Place you there. What is this? Oh, I got a dagger. 3 rounds, 3 lives left. Shotgun deals 2 times the... Oh! 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 Okay, okay. I got this. Drink the soda. I'm gonna cock it. It's gonna be a blank round. Watch. I'm gonna handsaw it. Cut that shit off. Okay? Double the damage. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? He's gonna die right here. Told you. Told you. Word for word. Word for fucking word. I told you. Y'all can't say I did not tell y'all. Yeah. What the fuck is going on? Last long. No more defibrillator, no more blood transfusions, no more. Since when do we have blood now you and me, we are going to dance in the angel. Alright bro, let's dance. Fuck it. What's going on? Four items? Hold up. I got cigarettes. I got knives. Magnifying glass. Can I get a beer? 2 knives. Hey, what's up, Dark Sun? Oh, Dark Sun, I didn't even see you, man. Brawlhalla? I don't know. Oh, whoa. Okay. Brawlhalla? I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to hop on Brawlhalla. Because here's the thing with me and Brawlhalla. So, when I had a console, right? That's all I would play. Like, Brawlhalla, Modern Warfare, that's all I would play. So, I think I'm, like, just burnt out of Brawlhalla, not gonna lie. So, that's why I've been, like, choosing to play other games. And I've been, like, trying to see, you know, what other games I could, like, stream also. Because I don't want to be a single... I don't want to seem like I'm only Brawlhalla streamer, you know? I got this. No way. Ooh! See that shit? Let's do double damage. Yeah. Hey, Dark Sun, but aren't you enjoying this game though? Aren't you enjoying watching this game? It's interesting. Fuck, it's a blank ground. Alright, well. Just confused to be honest. Alright, let me explain it before I go on further. So, this game is called Buckshot Roulette. And essentially you're in a club, from what I've seen. And you're fighting a demon, playing Russian roulette with a shotgun. And it gives you different abilities, aka from that mini box I picked out of it. And including like a cigarette, the hand saw, it has all different abilities, right? And the point of the games, if you have lives right here where my mouse is to the right, that those green lightning bolts, those are your lives, and you're supposed to fight him for play with him for 3 rounds. I'm on the 3rd round right now. I don't know how the hell I'm doing good, but that's pretty much the point. You gotta see, they're gonna be blank shots in the shotgun, and the whole point is to not die. That's pretty much it. Oh, and I shoot and I score. Alright, chill. Alright, chill. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean to shoot you. Possibly. Oh my god. Handcuffs. Cigarettes. Soda. Magnifying glass. Beautiful. Alright, let's see. Takes the edge off. Handcuffs. Drink up. Damn it! It's a blank. Should've did it reverse. I could shoot him. Should I shoot him? Should I shoot him? If I shoot him, skip. Okay, so this is my plan, guys. I'm gonna handcuff him. I'm gonna try to shoot him, and then it's gonna be his turn. Fuck yeah! Yeah, I'm shooting you in the face. Okay, now it's really up to me. It's 100%. It's gonna be a blank. Yo, Darwin, what do you think? Should I shoot him or should I shoot me? What do you think, Darwin? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Alright. Fuck you, Darwin. Fucking got me killed. Yeah, you fucking got me killed, asshole. Very interesting. Oh, he has a magnifying glass. It was a blank. Okay. Damn. 9 p.m. Yeah, I'll play some R6 like at 9, definitely. I'll stream some R6. No, there's no multiplayer. It's... What the fuck is going on? Are you ready? No? Why did he cut off his thing? Oh, you don't know how much health you have. Oh, fuck. Wait, he did it for himself, but he didn't do it to me. Don't. Oh, fuck. I'm dead. Please, magnifying glass. Magnifying glass? No, I don't want to handcuff him. Okay. Come on. Okay, soda. Come on. Give me a glass. Fuck my life. Okay. Okay. There's 3 normal, 2 hollows. So I'm gonna handcuff his ass. Ah, shit. Alright, Darwin. You think I should pop the soda and hopefully it's a blank? Oh, damn. How many people do I have watching on the stream right now? I got 1. I don't know who that 1 is, but... Okay, smoke. Beer. What the fuck should I do? What do I do? What do I do in this case? Alright, screw it. It's gonna be a blank. That was a real shot. You know what? Fuck you. You're dead. I knew it. Do I win? I won! Oh, what do I win? Hello? Is he dead? Did he... Did I just win first try? I won first fucking try. I won first. Oh. I just won $68,000. So you're telling me this game is that easy to win? Yo, if my luck is this crazy, yo, I should play this shit in real life.